Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, you learn how to download the Crunchyroll app on Fire TV. Now, all you need to do is to go to the find icon right here on the top of the screen and go down one step. This brings you to search. So click on the search to bring up the keyboard and navigate to the letters of the app you want to download. So for this tutorial, we're downloading Crunchyroll. So type in CRU, and as you type in, keep looking down at the suggestions. So you find the suggestions for Crunchyroll right here, click on it and you're in. This is the app right here in orange, and when you click on that app, the download button will load up. So immediately it loads up, you can see the app right there. You could choose to download for subscription only, you can choose to search for subscription options rather, download the app only, or check device compatibility. So I want to download the app, click on that, gets it quick, and after a few seconds of processing, your download begins. Now when this app is downloaded, you find it automatically installed and available in your app library. We found that insightful. We found value in this content. Subscribe to the channel and we will see you in the next video.